How to insert a thumbnail in a YouTube short. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to insert a thumbnail in a YouTube short. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, let's head over to our YouTube, which is right here, so click on that. And once you're in there, just click on this plus icon right here on the bottom. So let's click on plus button, then click on create a short right here, and click on allow access to your camera and microphone. So let's allow access on our microphone access again. Click over and upload a video. So after that, I just need to click on done, and as you can see, the video is processing. So let's just wait for it to process. And then after that, you can add in something like text, voice over, timeline, and sound. But if you're satisfied with everything, just click on next. And then as you can see right here, you can add details, you can add a caption to your short, you can add a titles. For example, let's type in flood. And then you can see the pencil icon right here. So click on that, and you can actually choose a thumbnail from the clip or frame on the video. So let's choose the thumbnail right here and click on done. Click on done right there, and you can now upload the short. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to insert a thumbnail in a YouTube short. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.